Idaho hot dog. Right, this is a regional speciality. It's a hot dog inside a jacket potato or a baked potato in the US. Usually topped with sour cream, chives, chili, kind of anything you'd put on a normal hot dog. I can't see how this is actually that bad. I think this is a great recipe. I'm into this. A potato wrapped around a sausage. What more could you want? I mean, this is a fairly standard, straightforward sort of recipe. So we're doing baked potatoes or jacket potatoes here in the UK. And I'm just going to fork them. So I've got baking potatoes. So they're quite large. Large and in charge to fit in the sausage. Pierce them all over. I'm going to do my standard sort of bake, so I'll oil and salt them and get them into the oven to bake. I just nearly put the fork through my hand. Imagine that. Pierced, oiled and salted, just like how I like to be on the weekend. And they're going into the oven at about 190, 200 degrees Celsius until they're beautifully baked. It takes about 45, 50 minutes. Okay, so for your Idaho hot dogs, you need hot dogs. So we've got some frankfurters. Now, looking at the recipes, the more traditional way is just a little bit of sour cream, a frankfurter and some chives. But I also saw someone doing a chili dog. So, and you know, in true classic, no offense American style, I thought I'd get it shop bought, you know, out of a tin. Feels very American. I'm so sorry, that sounds really backhanded, but it kind of is. So, frankfurters, I'm going to get them frying. Yeah, you don't double up on your hot dogs. You don't go double sausage, do you? Depends what mood you're in. I am a huge fan of a hot dog. Quite prolifically a big fan of a hot dog. Like if I go to cinema, I have to have a hot dog. If it's on a menu, I will have a hot dog. I don't know. I think it's handheld and quite an easy vessel. The shape, just like it's in, isn't it? There's no kind of if, buts or maybes. It's just one way in and done. This chili looks actually and smells actually quite nice. Heat that up as well. This chili lasts, best before see end of can, until 2028. That's not that far. So I don't know when it was made though. But I love tanned food. I love canned food. I think it's great. I'm all for getting a load of canned food in a little shelter for myself somewhere. It's so easy. You just either warm it up or eat it straight out of the tin. One thing that I do love is at Idaho. Now I've never been, I would love to go, is like the holy grail of American potatoes. So you have a specific Idaho potato, which is amazing. And is it every New Year's Eve you drop like a potato to celebrate New Year's? Like there's a potato that comes down, like a god. Like the god of the tuber hails from the sky for New Year's Eve. I love that. I think that's amazing. And isn't there also a hotel in Idaho? I need to go to Idaho. Basically, what I'm saying is if anyone's watching this and wants to pay for me to go to a trip to Idaho, let me know. I'll be all over it. I'm your gal. Okay. Chili is warming. Hot dogs are hotting up. And potatoes are coming out of the oven. 1 potato. 2 potato. 3 potato. 4. Perfect. That was hot. Here are lovely jacket potatoes. And then it's as simple as, in some of the recipes I've seen, they haven't buttered their potatoes. But in the UK, we're very much a fan of a buttered jacket. So I am going to be doing that. I've got to put my touch on it somewhere. Butter. Lovely bit of butter. So I'm just going to get some butter into these jacket potatoes and then I'm going to fork them so they get a little bit fluffy. Oh, that's a lot of butter for that one. Fine. You should get in there. Ooh, I love a jacket potato. I think I'm going to love, because it's 2 of my probably favourite things, a jacket potato and a hot dog, all together as one. So if you're also a massive fan of a jacket potato, then if you haven't seen it already, or if you have seen it, I also did a different ways of making or cooking a jacket potato. So we tried it in the microwave, the air fryer, and the oven roasted way of doing it. It's I really let my intrusive thoughts win on that video. I'll just say that there's a lot of talk of things that there shouldn't be in a recipe video. I was on one. I don't know what was wrong with me. But yeah, go and check that out. If you haven't, go and check it out. It is somewhere on my channel. I found it really interesting, actually, just learning about the best ways to cook a jacket potato. It's time for everyone's favourite part of the recipe video, Diner Lingo. It is actually just my favourite part, but here we go. I'm going to try and work out some Diner Lingo from the US of A and see if I can get it right. Let's start with white cow. A white cow. Milk? A white cow. It is going to be beef in some sort of milky sauce, white sauce. Veal in white sauce. Vanilla milkshake. Maybe I'm thinking too deep into these. Why have I gone to veal? Okay, vanilla milkshake. Fine. Next, Mike and Ike. Mike and Ike, they're sweet. Mike and Ike. Mike and Ike. The sweets look like little pills, don't they? Like jelly beans. Mike and pills. A duo. Mac and cheese? I don't know. Salt and pepper shakers. Can I get some Mike and Ike? Yeah, okay. Fine. Next. Apparently, I might be able to work this out if I remember, it's because it's like similar to something before. Okay. Paint a Bow Wow red, which has got to be a sausage with red sauce. Give me a hot dog with ketchup. Okay, I did say a hot dog with ketchup to begin with before I gave you what I'd got very excited. Yes! I've got one. That's it. I got 1 out of 3, guys. I'm getting better. Starting off with a traditional, well, I think what I've seen online, traditional Idaho hot dog, which is sour cream and chive. So I've got my lovely charred frankfurter. Straight in my buttered jacket potato. A lovely globbing of sour cream. It's it looks like a hefty amount as well when you do it. I'm assuming because it mixes in with that lovely buttery jacket potato and it makes it. And then a nice healthy sprinkling of chives. Almost like that traditional baked potato filling of sour cream, chive, but with a sausage in between. Fantastic. Right, now I'm going to do the little chili Idaho hot dog. Potato. Little cheeky frankfurter. Tinned chili con carne. Super nice and hot. Again, in the UK, I think having chili con carne on a jacket potato is very usual. So I'll go to. So I love the sound of this. Come on, put a bit of sour cream on this as well, actually. Shall we? Yeah. Bit of sour cream, bit of springers on there. Oh, these look great. A little bit of chili for spice. Ooh! Bit of cheese. Oh, that does look really good, actually. And there we have 2 Idaho hot dogs, sour cream and chive, and a loaded chili Idaho hot dog. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of a hot dog and obviously a jacket potato, so I'm very excited to try this. I also feel like if it's a hot dog, you ain't using no utensils. You are going straight in the gob, surely. I don't know, I'm bashful. Let's try it. It's juicy. It's a big, I don't know, would you eat this like this? You know what, I'll go for it. Oh, that frankfurter's good. Oh, oh! It's everywhere. Mmm. Love that. Traditional sort of baked potato flavours, but then you get this little piercing slither of frankfurter, smoky frankfurter through the middle. That's good. That is good. Now, chili dog, which again, I'm kind of into. I'm not going to eat the actual chili because I'll start crying, but that's also very delicious. That tin cheese, nice. Wow, good. You know what, if I ever have another barbecue again, I think I will probably be serving Idaho hot dogs instead. Because why have a bun when you can have a jacket potato when that's already going to be happening at a barbecue anyway? Just shove your sausage in the jacket potato. Perfect. I like a little bit of hot dog in my jacket potato. Is that all right? Is that a crime? No, these are really delicious. I think for this, America does win because this is a great idea. For me, rating, oh, I'm just thinking of all the other toppings you could do, all the other things you could fill your jacket potato with. I think, yeah, rating, it's delicious. I love a hot dog, love a jacket potato. I'm going to give this an 8.1 because I think there's still more you could do to it. But that is proper delish. More. I hope no one like screenshots any of this video. Just edit this bit out. Oh my god, that's good. Oh, also, actually, you can like and subscribe to see more of this filth that happens with potatoes and sausages and me.